Hi, this is Krishi. This is my database 8 lab experiment. Now here the aim is to write a functions and procedures using PLSQL. The first question is to write a PLSQL procedure that will accept the product ID from the user, check if the product is supplied by the suppliers and display the status. So now the PLSQL query for this is create or replace procedure p1x in number p where id out varchar is begin. Select distinct product id into p id from suppliers where product id equal to x. If PID is equal to x, then DB must display the output as product concatenated with PID and PID concatenated with is supplied. So product PID is supplied is given as output, else product PID is not supplied is given and end. So the procedure is created. Then we must declare and varchar 230 begin p1 2000 and end. So procedure 2000 is supplied, statement is processed. The second question is to write a procedure to calculate total price for the product that has been supplied and pass the supplier's ID as the argument. Create or replace procedure p to x in varchar 2 where p out number q out number is begin. Select distinct price into p from order quantity where product ID is equal to is selected from a subquery select product ID from suppliers where ID is equal to x, and select distinct order quantity into q from the suppliers where SID is equal to x, then end is given, output is displayed and then next given. So procedure is created. Then we must declare PR number, Q number, begin P2 S1 PR Q end. So this statement is also processed where total price 75,000 is displayed. The next question is to write a procedure raise quantity which increases the quantity of the order product. It accepts an order ID and quantity to be increased. It uses the order ID to find the current quantity from the update the quantity from that order table and update the quantity. Okay, so the query is to create or replace procedure raise quantity q in number 0 o in varchar 2 q1 out number is begin. Select distinct order quantity into q1 from order quantity where order id is equal to o 0. Then the output is displayed as present quantity q1. Update and next one is to update the order quantity. So update order quantity, set order quantity equal to q1 plus q where order id equal to o. Select distinct order quantity into q1 from order quantity where order id equal to o dbms. The output is displayed as update quantity concatenated with q1, then end is given. Then procedure is created. Then we must declare q2 number begin raise quantity 10 101 q2 end. So the present quantity is 30, updated quantity is 40. Statement is processed. Then fourth, write a PLSQL function status to return value supplied if the product number passed to it is available in a supply table, else will return not supplied. Create or replace function status PID in varchar 2, return varchar is A varchar 230, B varchar 30. Cursor BR is select distinct product ID from suppliers where product ID equal to PID. So begin, open BR, fetch BR into B. If PID equal to B, then A is equal to supplied, else A not supplied, return A, and the next query is ended. So the function here is created. After the creation of the function, we must declare C varchar 2 as 30, begin C equal to status to 2000, and output is displayed as C, then end. So it is supplied and statement is processed. The next question is to write a PLSQL function to return the product name when the product ID is passed as an argument. Create or replace function f1 PID in varchar 2, return varchar 2 SPD varchar 220. Begin, select product ID description into PD from product ID where product ID equal to PID, return PD, end the function. So the function is created. After it's created, we must declare A varchar 220, begin A is equal to f1 2000, then output is displayed as A. Then end the program and the query office child is displayed, then the statement is processed. In the next query, write a PLSQL function to return the maximum quantity ordered by the customer. Here we must create or replace function f2, return number is q number, begin, select max order quantity into q from the order quantity table, return q, then end the query. So function is created. After that we must declare A number, begin A is equal to f2 function, dbms output as A, so then end. So 40 is displayed, statement is processed. So this program is complete.